Hello guys, this is Change Your Look UK coming to you with another video, and today we'll be doing a tutorial on how I achieve this beautiful flawless look. So what we're going to be doing today is to achieve a natural look. Your face will look as if you're not wearing too much makeup. Your face will just be glowing. So you can see how my face is glowing. This is what I'm going to show you how to achieve this kind of look, and there are a lot of secrets on how to really achieve this look. Just don't skip don't skip any of this video. Watch to the end and I bet you're going to thank me later. So without taking too much of the time, let's just jump into the video. But before we do that, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hello, what have I done to you? Please hit the subscribe button and press on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I post a video. I do post videos every week. Please do it fit to hit the subscribe button and press on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I post a new video. Please support your girl by hitting the subscribe button. Thank you so very much. So let me not take too much of your pretty time. Let's just jump into the video. So what I'm going to be doing now is to moisturize my face first before applying my makeup. My face skin is like very dry. So what I normally do most of the time, I just try to do a nice scrub, get a soft scrub that you can use on your face maybe twice a week. It really helps a lot. It helps a lot just to like remove those dryness out of your face. It really helps a lot. How much I'm going to be using to moisturize my face. I just mash it together like this. I'm gone. I will be using this as well. It's really very nice just to hydrate your face. What we're going to be using today is Black Hawk. Just put a little, not too much. I use my brush. So what I'll be using today is this Avon eyebrow kit. So all I practically do is to use it to like fill my eyebrow to make it look a bit thick, and those area that doesn't really have too much hair, just to fill it up. So that's what I did. So all I actually did was just to fill my brows. So because we're going for a natural look, so I don't have to like put too much. That's why I didn't actually use my pencil. So you just have to hold your pen straight and roll just on the lines, very close to it, so you don't end up messing up your eyebrow. But definitely if you do it wrong, if you think there is any bend or something, you can still go back and straighten it. So when you're drawing your brow, just try to look at the one you've done before so that the other one you're drawing, the other side can be the same with the one you've drawn before. So it can be even. So this looks like, this is looking good. It's just a natural color you can use for your base when you want to apply your eyeshadow. So that is what we're going to be using. So don't worry, just relax. You're going to see how it will come out. That same brush you used to apply, all you need to do is to clean the brush it out. Just make sure you buff it out. So most of the time when I do my makeup, like natural makeup, I always like to use this on the base as well. So it just gives it that natural look. So I'll be using this powder. You can use it any light shade of your palette, but this is what I'm going to be using on this tutorial. It's really very nice. You will see how it comes out. I'm going to be using this sleek palette. I'll be using the brown. So all I'm going to use this to do, instead of using eyeliner, you can use this. Because it's a natural look, you don't want to use eyeliner. You just use this to create an illusion. Do you see the illusion it gives? You're not using eyeliner. This is eyeshadow you're using. And the eyeshadow is a mild, is a brown, like dark brown, close to your skin. You use something close to your skin. You see how it looks? So this is really, really very nice. And this brush I'm using to apply the eyeshadow under my eyes is a detailed eyeliner brush. It's really, really very nice. You can see how I use it to apply this and it really looks very, very nice. No, you guys will like ask me why doing this side first, because I don't want the foam to be full of powder before doing these areas and smooth. So then I can come to this area. And when you're you just really let it sit. You can see how nice it's looking. Revolution banana powder, that's what I'll be using. You're not putting too much because, mind you, it's supposed to be natural. You're not going to put too much because it's supposed to look natural. So let's not forget that. Because it just makes your face look slimmer. Come out, you see how it will come out. Very, very nice. Better you use a smaller brush. You see how this is? To just easily blend in. So that the shade is not too darker than your skin. You can see how this one look on my face. And whenever I go out, you see people always ask me, how do you get to put your makeup? How do you do it? How do you do it? You can see, do you see that the contour look almost the same color with my skin? Do you see how it looks? It looks almost the same color. So that's the goal. Make sure that the color you're using is not too bright. So by the time I do this, you'll see that that highlighting is not even, it won't be pronounced anymore. I hate it when I see people wear makeup and where their powder ends will just be showing. I don't like it at all. All you need to do is to use your brush and make sure that the lines are not showing. Just buff it down. So that I don't look like they're wearing somebody else's head on your on your body. It's a pink blush and it's very, very nice. It suits my skin a lot, so I really love it. I'm not a fan of wearing blush all the time, but when I see a color that really goes well with my skin, I really love to wear it. So this one is one of it. Just lightly. You see that? So we're going to be using our big bronzer. This is really very nice because it suits my skin a lot. Like everything I'm using on this makeup suits my skin like a lot and a lot. I don't know why I love this eyeliner so much. So this time I'm trying not to look at the mirror. Lipstick. So that the lines will not be too pronounced. Alright, I'm going to be using this eyeliner to apply my eyelashes. If you've not seen the review I've done on this eyeliner, please guys go check it out. It's a very, this eyeliner is very, very good. You're just damping it, please. Just damp. So guys, this is the end of the makeup. Hope you guys like it. It's really beautiful and it looked very, very natural. It doesn't even look like you applied too much on your face, and it didn't really take me time to achieve this look. It's as quick as possible. It's really, really nice. You can see from my eyebrow to the eyelash that I fixed. If you want to see the review on the eyelash gum that I used to fix the eyelash, I'll be leaving the link below so you can as well check it out. But this is really, really nice. Look at the makeup. Look at how nice this makeup is. It's really, really very beautiful. You can see the eyebrow, how nice it looks. It looks very natural. Beautiful. So guys, if you like this video and if you think this video has helped you, please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. You know, most of the time you don't have to like wear loud makeup. Just wear something that looks like you're not wearing too much makeup. Your face just look as if it's natural, but your face is flawless. It's looking on sleek. So that's the goal we went for, and this is how it came out. It really came out really, really beautiful. Hope you guys like it, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next one. Bye for now.